Are you looking for an easy way to clean your house? Well, let's try this robot vacuum. Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be reviewing the OKP robot vacuum cleaner. As you know, in each episode, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Hey everybody, alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the OKP robotic vacuum. This is a smart cleaner and it's great for pet hair apparently, but let's open it up. First things first, on the top, this is kind of what's there. It has a bunch of information for you. It looks like you got the little QR code to scan right here for the app. Kind of tells you everything you need to do to get it installed and get it set up. Next is the instruction manual right here, a little user manual. Oh yeah, it's got all the information you need, all the contents are listed there. I'm sure it has multiple languages and stuff as well. Very nice. Looks like our power adapter right here, a little power cable. A filter right here for it. It's always great to have. Our little bristle fans right here, these usually go on the edge, so they go and they smack the corners and get all the nice crusties out of the edges while it's doing its vacuum. Looks like the home base right here. Very nice. I love the color on that. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's like a blue splatter on it. So this is the charging home base right here. And the number one product right there in the box. Let's get it. The robot vacuum. Look at this thing. The color on it is beautiful. Wow, that's super nice. Has like a matte finish kind of, but beautiful. OKP, very nice. Good job.
This OKP L1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner First Gen Free Move Lidar Navigation is for your daily home clean. Advantage Free Move Laser Navigation. This L1 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner uses advanced Lidar technology to scan your home, building a real-time map to navigate its way through your space precisely, and it's powered by Free Move 3.0. Its 3800 PA suction strength power easily cleans daily messes, and its unique inlet design does not clog with pet hairs. Its unique inlet design does not clog with pets' hairs like other vacuums with a rotating brush. It's perfect for pet lovers. Multi-clean modes and easy control by OKP app cater to your needs. Smart Vacuum Robot L1 supports multi-clean modes. You can accomplish all your vacuuming needs via OKP app from wherever you are. Spot cleaning, partial cleaning, manual cleaning, schedule time cleaning. Freely switch between different modes and power levels as you want via OKP app. Smart OKP app and voice control. You can easily create a home clean schedule, change the clean mode, and control the clean direction by using the OKP app. This L1 vacuum cleaner robot works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing users to make the robot start and pause the clean time with your voice while you enjoy your free time. L1 saves your time and energy. Multi-floor mapping. Robot L1 can create maps in your home. It will automatically recognize the floor it's on once you set it down. You can set up no-go zones, partial area on the map. Robot L1 methodically cleans house better for better coverage with lower power consumption than random path vacuum robot. Ultra slim, diameter 333 millimeters, huge dustbin, roller brush design, anti-collision, LDS navigation, route planning, automatic charge, voice control, voice broadcast, OTA update, and app control. This vacuum has it all. Thanks to you, OKP, all that pesky dog hair is now gone. We'd like to give a huge shout out to OKP for sponsoring this video. All of the links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!